You're watching Industrial Nexus, where hard work collides with bad decisions and freak accidents. Chainsaws, timber, and heavy trucks prove just how unforgiving this job can be.
Yeah, hold on.
When you hear that chainsaw working, stay alert and preferably out of the way.
Ow! Are you alive? Yeah, I'm good. Good step.
It's not always about fancy tools. Sometimes grit, teamwork, and quick thinking save the day. That rope made all the difference, a true lifesaver. Glad everyone walked away safe. That's what really counts.
What? That wasn't bad at all.
Alright guys, logging can turn wild fast. 1 second this skidder is cruising, the next it's flipped over. Just a reminder to slow down and stay steady on those slopes. Wow, that was way too close. One loose log in the woods and he nearly got taken out. Moments like this are a brutal reminder of how fast logging can turn dangerous.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Mike.
That tree cutting machine makes hard work look effortless. One steady grab, one clean cut, and the forest obeys. When a falling tree tangles with live power lines, sparks turn into flames in seconds. A brutal reminder that electricity always wins and mistakes here burn fast. Amid a snow-covered field, the sawyer works meticulously, coordinating smoothly with his teammates. After completing the main cut, they use wedges to control the tree's falling direction. With firm, precise hammer strikes, the massive trunk shudders, then slowly leans and falls exactly where intended. A perfectly executed tree felling, safe, controlled, and a clear display of impressive skill and experience. Can you believe it? That tree didn't go down without a fight, stubborn to the very last second. Zetor Crystal 12245 in the forest. Old school iron, raw torque, and relentless grip, proving that classic tractors still earn their keep deep in the woods. A powerful look at the Mibor SLH 1200 debarker, stripping logs clean with speed, precision, and industrial-grade muscle, turning raw timber into mill-ready perfection. Chainsaw up high, ladder slips, and suddenly everything goes wrong. One bad move turns a routine tree cut into a dangerous fall.
Yeah, that's why I put the harness on.
A 900 series multi-tree takedown in action. One steady grip, rapid cuts, and absolute control as multiple trees drop in seconds with ruthless efficiency. A log truck versus brutal off-road terrain. Deep ruts, slick mud, and raw weight pushing machines to their absolute limits. Not bad for a start. Pure muscle and smooth control. The Prentice crane grabs, lifts, and stacks heavy timber with ease, turning raw power into precise forestry work.
We might have got lucky.
The GSN 240 delivers razor-sharp precision with its ultra-thin 2.3mm cut, minimizing waste while maximizing yield. effortlessly handling hardwoods, sipping just 10-12 kHz per hour, and pushing up to 4 meters per hour with a 19-blade setup.
Tree's coming this way. Everybody run! Tree fell this way. Tree fell on us.
Looks like something bad is about to happen.
Working in the forest is a test of skill, patience, and respect for nature. Heavy machines, hard terrain, and zero room for mistakes. One wrong move out here, and the forest reminds you who's in charge.
Să se nevšim, to byl komín, nebo tam byl to ulomilo vršek?
Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and don't forget to check out the next video for more incredible moments from the forest.